Good afternoon, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2012 GMC Sierra 1500 SLE Z71. Very low miles, approximately 16,000 miles on this guy. What we'll do is we'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just getting outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. Trying to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the running boards, rear tinted windows. As you can see, it has the tow pack there. No bed liner. Get down on tire size here in just a moment. Tire size there. Things dang near like new. Fog lights. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. This does have remote start, both fobs. Great feature, especially in the heat like this, or when it's really cold. You can start it up, it'll automatically warm it up or cool it down. Looks like power fold-in mirrors there. Power seat, WeatherTech floor mats, love that ad. Let's get the condition of the seats here. No rips, tears, or stains. There's a third seat in the front row if you need to seat 6. It's available. The passenger seat here. Let's get the back seat. Excuse me. And those WeatherTech floor mats. Just really think those are a great add on any car. Cup holders down there. Alright, let's get some features up front. It's a factory tow assist. Steering wheel controls there. Stock stereo. 4-wheel drive. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Navigate this with one hand here. There we go. Alright guys, now I say this in my videos all the time, I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. That's huge for us. There's the odometer there, 16,000 some change. Stereo here, as you can see, it has the Sirius satellite radio. Alright, AC is blowing cold. Just go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Purring along beautifully. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another walk around. Whatever I can do to help, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration. I hope you can earn your